Okay, many students have had questions about the Electron Configuration Lab, so I will walk you through that now. When we go to the virtual lab, remember sometimes when we go to do a lab, it takes us to the PHET website, and clicking both Run Now and Download actually download a file on your computer. So you need to keep that and open up the Java file. Now I already have that done. Remember, if you're in a Mac, you might need to go into your security settings, in the security settings, and allow it to run the file. But since I already have it open, I don't have to do that. So some things you need to know about using this little Java applet. The battery is up here. So initially it asks you to leave it at 23 volts. That's what it's defaulted at. The electron production area, that is right here. So you can fire a single or continuous, and clicking the button causes an electron to fire. Under your options, you can have squiggles and run in slow motion. Also the spectrometer. And from the drop-down menu, which is right here, this is the drop-down menu with configurable as well as the rest of these elements. So it asks you to go through, make some observations for those. Now I am going to do a continuous stream and explain some things. Okay, so these are the electrons getting fired. They're hitting the hitting an atom. This mystery atom, and as they hit that atom, they become excited, or the electrons of the atom become excited and drop back down. So it's excited when you see it go up to 2. This is supposed to be the electron moving up in energy level, and then it drops back down when the atom says 1. So these are the electrons, or the energy you're putting in. This is the atom that is being excited, and its electron shell that you can see. These little purple diamond shapes, those are the photons of light that you are supposed to be able to see. And these are, oh, actually there's your legend up there. So in part 2, doesn't look like there's anything different, and also part 3, I would like to change and actually see the discharge lamps. So these different colors that you see here are represented, are representations of what these are. So this is the say scientific picture of it, and this is what we would actually see. And you can Google spectrum tubes and see some really neat pictures. You also see a representation here. So the 1s electrons, those release this color light when they become excited. Our 2s electrons release this color of light. Our 3s and 3p electrons, when they become excited, they release this color, and so on. So to get red light, you got to be up there pretty far. Anyway, I hope this helps. And that is your Electron Configuration Lab.